All right, so in the diagram of circle M shown, measure of PRQ is 308. So this is arc measure. So this symbol, curve symbol, is the arc measure. Which of the following is the measure of PRQ? PRQ. So this is given PRQ, that is 308. Now this major arc is 308. If this major arc is 308, what would this minor arc be? The minor arc would be full turn is 360. So the measure of this minor arc, PQ, would then be 360 minus 308, which is 52. The measure of PQ would then be 52. Now, if this is 52, the central angle that intercepted by that intercept this arc is this one. This one would also be 52. Now we know that the relationship exists between the central angle or the arc intercepted and the inscribed angle is 1/2. So in order to find this is what we're looking for, PRQ, PRQ, we have to apply this equation. So we have to say PRQ would then be 1/2 of the central angle or the minor arc. So it's going to be 1/2 of PQ. So it's going to be 1/2 of 52. That's 26. So angle PRQ, which is the inscribed angle, is 26. So the correct answer is 26.